Good morning, students. Myself is Mrs. S. Sangeeta, working as an assistant professor in Department of Information Technology in Gongonadu College of Engineering and Technology. So, in this class, we are going to see the subject cloud computing. So, already we have covered 3 units. So, in this class, we will start Unit 4. So, this is our Unit 4 syllabus, resource management and security in cloud. So the topics what we are going to cover are in this unit, inter-cloud resource management, resource provisioning and resource provisioning methods, global exchange of cloud resources, security overview, cloud security challenges, software as a service security, security governance, virtual machine security, identity access management, and security standards. So we will see the first topic, which is called inter-cloud resource management. Here, the cloud resource management, that is how the cloud resources are managed and how the resources are exchanged in the cloud. So these are all going to be discussed. So extended cloud computing services. There are 6 layers of cloud services. Already we had seen about the layers of cloud services in the previous class. So the layers such as hardware, network, infrastructure, platform. So these are all some layers in cloud computing. And the service layers in cloud computing are SaaS, that is software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So these are the 3 service layers in cloud computing. The cloud platform provides PaaS, that is platform as a service, which sits on infrastructure as a service, and the top layer is SaaS. Okay, so the bottom layer is infrastructure as a service, and then the layer which is on that is upon the IaaS is PaaS, and then the top layer is SaaS. So these must be implemented on the cloud platforms. Although the 3 basic models are dissimilar in usage, they are built one on top of another. Therefore, the basic models are dissimilar in usage and they are built one on top of another one. Here, the implication is that one cannot launch SaaS applications with a cloud platform. The cloud platform cannot build if compute and storage infrastructures are not there. Okay, we will see this diagram. So the bottom layer is hardware or virtualization cloud services. So in the right side of the table, we are seeing the companies which are providing these kind of services. So the next upper layer is network cloud services, and then the upper one is co-location network services, that is cloud services, and then cloud software infrastructure, and then PaaS, that is cloud software environment, and then cloud application SaaS. So shortly, these are all called as SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, LaaS, NaaS, and HaaS. Okay, and the companies which are providing these kind of services are given in the right side of the table. So the bottom 3 layers are more related to physical requirements, that is co-location cloud services, network cloud services, and then hardware or virtualization cloud services. The bottommost layer provides hardware as a service. The next layer is NaaS, that is network as a service, and the virtual LANs fall within the scope of NAAS, which is network as a service. The next layer up offers location as a service, which provides us a location service to house, power, secure all physical hardware and network resources. And the location as a service is a new concept that combines 3 main categories of cloud computing services, such as infrastructure, software, and platform as a service. So the next one is the cloud infrastructure layer can be further subdivided into some categories such as DaaS, that is data as a service, and then communication as a service. And the cloud players are divided into three classes called the cloud service providers and IT administrators. And the second one is cloud developers or vendors, and the third one is end users or business users. So we will see the table which is relating the cloud players and the service layers. The cloud players, IT administrators or cloud providers. What is their role in infrastructure as a service? So they will monitor SLA, that is service level agreement in infrastructure as a service. So when we consider past, the IT administrators or cloud providers monitor service level agreement and enable service platforms. And then in SaaS, they will monitor service level agreement and deploy software. They, depending on the types of services, what they are using, they will their role is being different. And the cloud player is the software developer. The software developer is deploying and storing the data in infrastructure as a service. So the same software developer, when they play a role in platform as a service, they enable platforms via configurators and APIs. And then the software developers develop and deploy software in software as a service. And then the end users deploy and store data in IaaS, and they develop and test web software in PaaS, and then they use business software in SaaS. Okay, students. Now I think you are all clear about the various layers of cloud computing, that is cloud services, and the roles which are played by the cloud players. Thank you so much for your patient listening.